Hi guys, welcome to Freshen in your life, where we are simplifying motherhood. Today we're going to look at 4 baby carriers that are going to work best in your life.
So starting out, I have the Ergo Original. This one's great for newborn up to toddler, and it comes with many accessories. You can do the infant insert. This one is up to about something like 12 pounds, and it gives you flexibility with the pillow here. You can take that out, and then also you can get a sweatshirt for cooler temperatures, and it wraps around the baby's leg and keeps them warm.
So this one here is the Baba Sling. So this one, originally I didn't see the value in. I honestly didn't use it for my first 2 kids. Now that I have 3, this is the one I use pretty much every single day. It's the best one for the grocery store, and I'll show you why. So 3 kids, don't want them to run out in front of traffic. I don't have much time to put on a baby carrier, especially in the Pacific Northwest when it's wet on the ground. So some of my slings don't work. So this one though, I literally just grab it out of the car. It's already measured to me. I throw it over my head, throw it over like that, and literally I just put the baby right in. So I take the baby out of the car, goes right in like this, and I'm good to go. Also, as the baby gets older, move that baby down onto my hip, so like maybe like toddler age, 1, 2, they sit right on my hip. This supports the butt, and that way you can be hands-free carrying a baby on your hip.
All right, so I'm gonna show you the baby Bjorn. This is probably my favorite pack because it's very supportive. So it's used for both newborn and up to, I don't know, probably 6 months or so. So you put it around your shoulder. You wanna make sure you clip in down here before you grab your baby. And also make sure that you have it adjusted according to the size of the baby. So for newborns, I'm going to put the baby's leg through here. Clip on this side. Put this top, and then this kind of holds and supports the baby's head. The arms go out to the side, and then if you want to switch it as the baby gets older, just flip her around. And that folds down, so now she can look out. And this pack is very nice for long trips or long days at the zoo. It's got really good back support, and it's a great pack.
Now for our last wrap, I'm going to walk you through the Moby wrap. This is actually one of my favorite wraps to use at home, or actually I've used it through Disneyland. I took an 8-week-old to Disneyland, and I needed to be able to carry her and nurse her throughout the entire park. Some of the things I don't like about it though is essentially it's just one long piece of fabric. So it stretches out really easily, and also when you're putting it on, it kind of touches the ground. So if you're, again, in the Pacific Northwest, it's going to get rainwater on it. So I'm going to have Jenny demonstrate how to put this on for you, because that's probably the most tricky part. The first step you want to do is just find the tag. The tag is going to be your center point. You're going to put it right in the middle of your belly. She's now going to wrap it behind her back and just crisscross it, and then pull it up and over each shoulder. She's going to keep it tight because this is where the baby's going to be. And then she's going to tuck these 2 ends straight down. Perfect. She's now going to crisscross these and tie it behind her back just in a double standard knot. So what's great about this carrier is you can face the baby forward. So at Disneyland, I had my 8-week-old facing forward, looking at all the people, and then I'd turn her around when she needed to nurse. But we're gonna show you facing towards you. So you're just gonna tuck their feet straight in. So one leg there, one leg there. And then you're gonna spread the fabric over the butt to like secure the baby. And then this fabric here is gonna be what's just like tucks it all in, holds the baby in tight. And then if your baby's head is still like not very strong, You can tuck one side in and one side only, just so that they can breathe. So they get the air right here, the support from the wrap. And then again, you can push them even further over. So if you want to nurse them in this, and pull the fabric over to kind of give yourself some privacy. Again, this is one of my favorite wraps for, gosh, giving my kids a bath. Sometimes I'm trying to give the two little ones a bath and the baby's hungry. So I need to nurse, be able to use my hands. Again, Disneyland was a great option. I don't really like this one for when I'm out and about because it will touch the ground and it will get dirty. But this is a great option if you would like to get the Moby wrap.
So to wrap it up today, we went over the Ergo Original, which is a good pack that's from newborn to toddler, and it's very affordable. We have the Baby Bjorn, which is my favorite. It's got a lot of back support and good for long trips.
And then we have the Baba Sling, which is just the easiest one to put on when you're in a hurry. And then we have the Moby wrap, which is great for nursing on the go. We hope that all of these will help you simplify motherhood.